Yeah. So obviously, I mean, without feedback, without customer feedback, you can't build your product. Because if you are doing that, then you are building the product on assumptions. And as a PM, as a product manager, I or any other PM per se, uh, needs to remove the biases from his or her mind, you know, because when you are into a product, you think that you know everything about the product, and sometimes or many a times you try to take decisions without seeing the other part of the picture, you know. That's where you have to open up your mind, be ready to face harsh feedback, be ready to face positive feedback, and it's up to you how you want to balance it out. And I think we do that all the time. Any PM would do that all the time. So different companies follow different procedures. If I have to talk about myself, how we take feedback is, let's say if I want to start working on a particular product feature, right? I want to understand the current state of it. And I want to understand what are the customer needs around that particular feature that I want to improve on. So we start off with a discovery phase. Now, discovery phase is me reaching out to different customers, and we have a proper way to go about how and which all customers do we want to interview. For example, from a particular country, from a particular domain, from a particular industry. Once we finalize that, we want to take their opinion. What do they think about the product? What's their feedback? That's one. But you have to also take a note that you can't take feedback all the time. Okay, which may sound very contradictory to what I just said. But what happens is once you are in the execution phase, then you have to trust your gut, because you would have taken some decisions that you may not derive from the data, or you may not derive from customer feedback. So you take some decisions on your own. And that's when you have to just trust your gut and just go ahead with it. Otherwise, you will be in like two boats. So that's how I want to put it.